Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to track Shopify sales by channel. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So here, as you can see on the left side of your screen, you have two options. So first of all, we can see the sales channel, and below we have online store, and then you can see we have point of sale. So head over to your online store and you have different options. So these are all to simply customize your settings. Now if you're looking to track your Shopify sales, you can see you have your point of sale, and there you can easily head over to your settings and easily track everything. So you can see we have point of sale, or you can say like apps, so you can use some integrations to easily manage your sales and track them. You have your language, subscription, smart grid, and it is going to be giving you an idea about your customers. You can see we have checkout, we have receipt customization, we can do that as well. So this could be used for tracking as well, as there is basically customer number and stuff like that on this. Let's just go back. So basically these are all the settings that you can use to track your sales. Let's just get back, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.